Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm just giving you one quick little recipe, one that should pretty much be all clear and safe from causing any stomach noises or anything like that. So let's just get into the recipe.
Why do they keep on going? Why don't they ever slow down? Why can't you seem to stop them? Why am I frowning now?
All right, so this recipe is very simple. It's going to include brown rice, chicken, avocados, and a little bit of gluten-free soy sauce. Basically, you're gonna get your hands on some brown rice, and you can either cook it from scratch or you can get like quick made rice, whatever you gotta do to get some rice. Just brown rice and water, that's all you need. And you're gonna cook some of that, and then you're also gonna cook some chicken, and this can be any type of chicken. It could be chicken thighs, it could be chicken drumsticks, it could be chicken party wings. I like the little party wings. They're like the little tiny wingettes. But I like to cook those in the oven. You can cook the other types of chicken in the oven too, or you can put it on the stove. However you like to cook your chicken. This isn't a recipe to how for you. I can't even speak. Why are you watching me? I don't know. Anyway, so you're gonna cook your chicken, and you're not gonna use any dairy or any other weird sauces. I mean, you could throw some like barbecue sauce in there if you want. Usually those are pretty safe as far as stomach noises. Just make sure there's no milk or anything like that. And the next thing is avocado. And you're just gonna cut open a pretty ripe avocado. It's gonna be a little bit soft. When you touch it, it should give in a tiny bit, or depending on how ripe you like it, it can give in more. You don't wanna be eating an avocado that is rock hard and pure green. You want it to be darker, maybe black, or darker green. You want it to be easier to digest and scoop. It needs to be soft for you. And I forgot one thing, but what I like to do whenever I have avocado is squeeze a little bit of a lemon on there. Lemon or lime. It gives it a nice kind of guacamole-esque feel. I don't know what it is, but it's just, I like the combination of avocado and lemon or lime. And the last thing you're gonna do is, and this, you don't have to do this, but you can add some like soy sauce, or you can add any other type of sauce that you might want. Avoid dairy, don't put that on there. Try to avoid gluten too. A lot of sauces can have gluten. Soy sauce usually has gluten in it, or a lot do, but I like to have a gluten-free soy sauce. And the soy sauce will give it a little bit of salt, or a lot of salt depending on what brand you get, and that'll make it a little bit more palatable. If you're watching this video, I don't know where you're at in your diet or lifestyle journey, but if you're not used to eating more plain just whole foods, it can taste pretty bland. So adding a little bit of salt, adding a little bit of sauce is not a problem, especially for stomach noises, as long as you avoid the dairy. And yeah, so basically put that all on your plate. You got rice, some steamed rice, and then you got some chicken, maybe even some barbecue sauce on there, and avocado. And yeah, that'll give you a nice combination of fats, proteins, and carbs, and you will be good to go. That should hold you over for, depending on how much you make, for a good little chunk of time. So, but yeah, I hope you guys like this little recipe. It wasn't a cooking show. This isn't the Dr. Sweets cooking show. But I just wanted to give you guys some ideas of foods that you can eat and combine that should be safe from causing any stomach noises. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.